Hey, what's up, crypto land? This is FiboSwanny coming to you on a good Fibonacci Friday, kind of spiraling out into the weekend. I got a few minutes here to do a chart. I really wanted to take a major step back here and look at the quarterly chart since the quarterly is coming to an end on Sunday, 8 p.m. Eastern time. I'm going to be watching that close like a hawk. But I just wanted to kind of go over the chart of what I'm looking at. Something that uh, me and Crown over at Crown Crypto Cave is kind of looking at. I was pointing that out to him yesterday or a couple days ago, and um, I don't know what he's looking at, but I think he was pretty pumped on this pattern too. So I'm going to show you the chart so you don't have to stop, so you can stop looking at me. Let's see here. All right. Bitcoin, US dollar, 3-month quarterly chart. Couple of things. The main focus I'm looking at is this upper band of the Bollinger Band right here. That's one of the main things I'm looking at here. I got some Fibonacci retracements here and here. I got some trend lines on here just to show some differences there. All right, couple of things. Uh, the timing of this would have been a spot on the stochastic where it would have been crossing over to the upside, and we're starting to get a crossover right here, which is I think a bullish sign since we had this area or I guess you could call it a long pause, a whole pause of 2018, but we're crossing over here. So that was one of the things that kind of jumped out at me as we probably would have had a crossover here as we were breaking the trend line at this point. We're getting a crossover right here as we broke the trend line at this point. So um, here here's a couple of things on the Bollinger Band right here on this quarterly candle. It was the first close that we got above the Bollinger Band, which is a pretty bullish signal as it's starting to break some of the resistance points. So when it breaks this band to the upside, as it's kind of breaking some of the resistance points, that's a bullish signal. And as you can see, we got a nice long rally, parabolic move. So Bollinger Band right now, coming off the break of this trend line to the upside. This 3 months of data on this candle is looking like it might close above the Bollinger Band. So right now we're trading at 11,928. The band itself is 11,162. I was kind of talking about on Twitter that if this ends up closing Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern time above 11K, I think we're going to have new highs before the end of the year. And the reason for that is, as you can see here, you got the bullishness in the next couple of quarters, got some really strong momentum going. Broke the 61.8% level to the upside, got a full retracement all the way to the 100%, and then of course it even took off even further. So the next couple of quarters it broke to the upside. So right now we're finishing the second quarter. We still got the third and fourth quarter to go. So the next 2 quarters, if we get a close above this B band, with the Stokes showing us that we're getting the move to the upside here, I would not hesitate to call a test of the previous all-time high at 19 plus over the next couple of quarters. So if we get this close above 11, I mean, I know it sounds weird and I know it sounds crazy, but I think it could be something to really kind of follow and look at here when you're kind of taking a step back on the quarterly chart. So just wanted to show that, definitely not financial advice, uh, saying that it's going to go to the moon or anything like that. But I do like to see a close above that Bollinger Band on Sunday night. I think that'll be a really strong bullish indicator that we're just getting started on a nice little bull run to the upside. So hopefully I'm right. We'll see. And of course, always use protection if this thing starts to break down. If you follow some of my other videos, I have some support levels to watch for possible breaking. Right now, I really like the 9,800 level as a pretty strong floor. I've been following a chart where I thought 10.2 would hold yesterday. I bought a bunch right above there, actually around 10.4, 10.5. is where I got in, and it's rallying back up to 12, which is very nice. I like that move. So let's keep an eye on this chart. Again, happy trading. Peace out.